Hey guys, welcome to Mama Love YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a spiced chai latte recipe. Let's make it. For the masala chai latte, we need 2 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks. Crush them. 1-inch knob of ginger slice. Crush them. Over high heat, we will add 1/4 cup water, 1 cup whole milk, crushed spices, 1 tea bag or as per your taste, sugar to taste. Stir. Bring to a boil, reduce heat. Scoop out some of the tea. Pour the tea bag into the pot to create bubbles. Repeat a few times until the tea is bubbly and spices release their flavor and some of the liquid evaporates to make the tea smooth and creamy. Strain the tea latte and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.